Industries and Trade Fair Association of Assam Northeast Region kabaju Pynlong yake International Shillong Trade Fair and International Shillong Shopping Carnival kala Pynlong yaka Meghalaya UPSC Vision Conclave arhaja arpanrio yakani ke UPSC Conclave la Pynlong ha Shillong Club ha kabag MLA jangka East Shillong ka Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo kala shim yaka benta kum ka kongsan ha ka jingdan lang ringkat baki samla puli na kaleng ki college jangka nangbang Kajing temu bakong san Pynlong yakani ka Meghalaya UPSC Vision Conclave hajar Pawanrio daka Industries and Trade Fair Association of Assam kalong banpin lynti ki samla jangka jela bantip yakilat ki lynti kumba banpin kre ban yakhun yaki examin hakani kasngi na kalyang jangka ITFAA kala airu daka check shaka khasi student union batru shaka dobash nong lain kra marsan pho hajar tingka baken kirshan ki samla ki bakwa ban yakhun yaki examin UPSC Nakalyang jangka Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo habakaran kum ka kongsan kaloong baki samla puli kidai bandan kata kamansim ka banwat ban phosneu ba shisin kasngi ken poisha ka thong ba ken yakhun ka examine jangka UPSC banlongi officer IAS but IPS
Officially presented, please give a round of applause. Simultaneously, we are respectfully called. So, ladies and gentlemen, the check has been now formally handed over, reaffirming ITFAA shared
to ensure that the future of Meghalaya is secure in as far as the production of our own elite IAS, IPS officers who will handhold the affairs of governance and the state in the interest of the people of the state. Thank you so much, Rajiv and Rajesh Das, for this innovation. Yes, the government of Meghalaya is equally concerned about the scarcity in which these officers clear the examination, especially citizens of the indigenous communities of the state of Meghalaya. This conclave, I believe, would initiate and deliberate on what is the way forward. What do we need to do? How can a trade fair organization also pitch in to ensure that we start finding out definitive paths to make sure that the numbers of our citizens being in the elite services of this nation also get equal opportunity. Government has tried its best. We have the Matti, which is one such institute, which is simultaneously handling not just the preparations of young citizens towards that goal, but is also conducting various trainings of officials at various levels to ensure that the elite forces in administration are inculcated and are made available for the state and the citizens of Meghalaya. I look forward to the Trade Fair Association.
Pynlong kading conclave mentasni kadin nakalyang Trade Fair Association ju don hapo Shillong bat ka kisu ni wanra ya kanang conclave kanang ba kanton kanukon ka kanang session ban patkai makunu bangin la ban kentiu yaki na puli bakin na ban long kita kiba prepare already nam ta UPSC examination nilai ekran sani ba lor ke kalat kalenti kilat chingira pengalaman bu ki scholarship ki ba nakalian ka sarkar kalaban ai but ke nakalian ka seng ki ba bile kumba pitip hi nakalian ka seng ke jupa na puli hadin dag nila ada long ka entrance exam jupa iki ban kini pen create pen tubit leadership dali kani kan di kasing kebalai mengin sapha yang ini hindiat ski dan katu kaningon nak ngi ki bala pas MCS kani ki snap ki badam don ki bala pas ki examinations ki bapir jongka state Andi hadu hot ni pajo ya tau so ju UPSC andi nak te ba UPSC kadika examination ka ba bagi kerman ba kini hisni konwan dan na paling ju kena bi pa coaching sudhi la pas ke problems ni kerman ni don tanga tanga kerman ba lesi bi pas ya kami su pat ka posu interview but dah kalau kata hi kan nak burung ya ka ri ba ka merio baru ko
Kado kanu kena jumto ki samla pulit rai kanika conclave.
Kani ka conclave minta kasing ka data ka jing ai jing ka jing emer jing mut halor kunu ka ikilat bila banne banyarap ikna puli apa di UPSC namar kumu pitib hi ngimi ki coaching center ki babiang ni ban pass civil service examination klaim kanu ka jing yarap klaim kanu coaching ka kalong ka ba coba pola ngidan ni tang kamati ede kamati ru kasulong ba ni padon ki no hikai ki balala ban hikai na ki subject ki ba per aka juga por kamati ka bun kam kiwi ban train ki officials ni ki officer sarkar jo kami karya ti kamdi ni kwa ya kai ki institution ka banlong no ka ba ai banla ai coaching bapura undi tang habade civil service examination ki bun par kiwi ki central examination kum ka SSC ki bank la examination marba haniru ni ju i ba ki khana khasi ki ju ki duna ha batham ki snam ki bala da ki batham nam ta ki SSC kam SSC ki dang duna ba ki dangi ni khana khasi ni thari dan tam kuma prapo shispa hapo shispa ende ki post pa ki bala ki babu kan te bali ni semua ba bali khana ki offline mar ki yo kata ka propo coaching mata bani coaching shabar ka pisa ka tingka ki longi ki bawan na ki bodo kin kam jinja ti takadang ni ko bangin setup ni ka coaching center ni na kalian ka sing bidang persyang ban la na kalian juga bang setup coaching center ban ni tua binya terilang buat kini ki week coaching center bagi banabar dak la ki wan ban setup sini nomor ba khadu khadwahi kan dik chmunto nam ta ki pardo personam chki bi le kilaban pass examination ki ba fer ki bari juga सरकार को